Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to change screen zoom in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for our screen zoom option? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options, next visibility enhancements, and here at the bottom we have screen zoom. So right now we are in the middle. We can make it smaller if we want to, and of course we can make it bigger if we need to. We have example here, as you can see. So and we have a short explanation here as well. No need to save, we can just safely back out to our home screen, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.